Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Wiggins from OT again. Today we're going to be learning about a trick that you can use to remember when you're writing your numbers. Because I noticed that sometimes when people write numbers, they write them backwards. So this is a trick to help you remember how to draw them the right way. Now, the trick is that you have to imagine that there is a square every time you write your own numbers. So let's imagine that this square is in your brain, and inside the square is a little dot. The dot is always on the left corner. Just like when we do our writing in our uppercase letters, we always start with the corner in the left corner. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice making some numbers. The first number starts in the corner. It starts at the dot and makes a number 1. That starts in the corner. What is the next number?
2.
2. So the next number starts in the corner. It goes around and back. That's how you make the number 2, because it starts in the corner. If you were to start in this corner over here, it would look like that. Is that a 2?
No
way. So we're going to erase that one. And this is a 2 that starts in the left corner. What's the next number?
3.
3. So we're going to start in this corner. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. So you start in the corner, always start in the corner. The next number is the number 4. And the rhyme for number 4 is down and over, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. So you go down and over. What letter is that?
A 4.
No, what letter is that?
L.
It's the letter L. It's an uppercase letter. And you make down and over, and then down once more. That's the way to make a 4. And what corner did it start in? It started in the left corner, right here, just like all these numbers. The next number is the number 5. And that rhyme is little neck, belly fat, number 5 wears a hat. So you make a little neck, short neck, and a belly. And this is how I remember this. So when you get dressed in the morning, and if you wanted to wear a hat, would you put on your hat before you put on your clothes? No. You wouldn't walk around with no clothes on and just a hat, would you? That'd be really weird. So what you would do is you would get dressed first. So you dress your body, then you put on your hat before you leave the house. Okay? So that's how we remember that you make the neck and the belly and then put your hat on the top. So what corner did it start in? It started in the same exact corner as everything else. The next number is the number 6. And this one looks a little funny, but the more you make it, the rounder it will get. It also starts in the corner and it goes down and around. That's how we make the number 6. And it starts in the corner. So that one starts in the corner. And then the next number is the number 7. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way we make a 7. So again, it starts in the corner, across and down. And this here is a diagonal. Remember when we learned about diagonals? So you have to go straight across and then make diagonals. So what I want you to do is remember there's a box around every single number and all the numbers start in the corner. The next number is the number 8. And so when we make the number 8, that one doesn't start in the corner. It's number 8 and number 9 do not start in the corner. And the number 8 is pretty easy for most people because they just make the letter S and then they come straight up. So it's this round curvy number. So after the round curvy number, the next number is the number 9, and that one actually starts in this corner. So all the numbers up until 7 start in the corner. Then number 8 is the squiggly number, and then number 9 starts on this side, around and down. That's how you have to remember it. So every time you make a number, I want you to pretend that there's a box around it, okay? The next trick is what we're gonna do is this is just a piece of cardboard that I got from some laundry sheets. So any kind of cardboard you have, what you're gonna do is you're going to have an adult do this. Ask an adult to make a little square inside it. So what I usually do is I fold it like this and I make a little cut there and a little cut there. Fold it back and then I cut it off like that. And then when it's open, I make it look a little bit better. So now if there's a rectangle in there or a square, I'll make that a little bit bigger. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this strategy for when we're making our numbers. And it's gonna help us keep our numbers in the space, and it's going to help us remember that all the numbers from 1 to 7 start in the same corner. Okay, Kara, here is your cardboard with the box cut inside of it. Every time you have it on the paper, make your dot in the corner and make the number 1. Yep, starts in the corner, move it over. Make a new dot. Now make a 2. Move it over. Make a 3. Now move it over. Down and over, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Okay, remember, we're gonna make the number 5. Don't put your hat on before you get dressed, okay? Make your neck and your belly and put on your hat. Good job. Now number. Okay, so what I did is I folded the paper over so Kara cannot see her numbers. Now Kara sometimes makes her numbers backwards. So this is a trick that she needs also. And I'm gonna say numbers and I want you to write the numbers. But remember, every time you make a number, pretend that there is a box around your number, okay? Make the number 5. Very good. Make the number 7. Make the number 3.
All right. Easy.
Are you picturing a box in your brain? The next number is the number 1.
1.
Yeah, that one can't be backwards either, can it? Yeah. Make the number 2.